Bees on my chives, bees, bees on my chives. Bees on my chives, bees, bees on my chives. It's a big old chive plant. Even though they're the same kind of geranium, these ones are the red ones. And the orange ones have no variegation on the leaves. How cool is that? Cool thing about strawberry blonde marigolds is the color shifts on the same plant. Same thing with fireball. Turns to an orangey from a more red. You can see there's a big difference between the fully doubled marigolds and the anemone type blooms. They're much smaller, but they're still very nice looking. These plants tend to be actually taller with more flowers, so that's the trade-off there.
Good things grow in Ontario. Pick Ontario freshness.